Hi friends, I woke up on an island today. No, not a typical tropical island, but this one is little different. This is made up of floating biomass and therefore थोड़ा सा हिलता डुलता है. This is my hut, run by fishermen, and this is certainly a very unique experience. And now you may ask me, where is this place and how did I get here? तो शुरू से शुरू करें और मैं आपका दोस्त मानस आपको ले चलता हूँ मेरे ट्रैवल स्टोरी मणिपुर राइड पे. तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ. The first place I visited in Manipur was Sri Govindaji Temple. Being largely visited by the people every year, Sri Govindaji Temple in Imphal is the shining golden building that attracts many tourists besides the regular devotees. Being one of the prime attractions of Manipur, the temple has the deities of Hindu gods Radha and Krishna Govinda. Sri Govindaji Temple holds huge significance both historically and spiritually and stands as a symbol of devotion and integration in the region. The next place I visited was Andro in Manipur. And I stopped by in one of the villages of Andro and found our villagers are making local wine. I wanted to see how this wine is being prepared and found it is a distilled product of the fermented local rice. Wine is called as Andro U in Andro. The technology of the preparation of wine is a traditional one and the product is a source of income generation. The winemakers in Andro sell their product wholesale to vendors who again sell it in the city of Imphal. Next I wanted to have some traditional Meitei Manipuri food. So I visited a very popular place called Lakshmi Kitchen. This what you see here is a Manipuri fish thali and at a price of only 200 rupees you get a lot of dishes. It was really nice. But what was really special is this payas with black rice. That's the famous Ima market in Manipur. Here you will not find one single man selling anything. It is the only and the largest market run by women in the country. Back in the 16th century, Lalom system was in practice in Manipur, wherein every man had to serve the king either in the palace or in the war for a certain number of days, and that too without any remuneration. Now when men could not earn, that's when women had to become the bread earners of the family. And that's how this market came. Women started making something in their house and sell it in the Ima market. It was time to hit the road again. और अभी मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ इंडो म्यांमार बॉर्डर फ्रेंडशिप गेट तक. Look at the view of this beautiful, lush, natural hills around in Manipur. Making a small pit stop at a very popular place called Gabby's Cafe. Awesome view and a great food to go along. A must stop place for anyone passing by the highway on the way to More. Look at the layout of this road. Please don't forget to take a picture of this beautiful hairpin bend highway. These are something that delights my heart. Heading towards India-Burma border. That's a marketplace in More near the border security checkpost, and few of the items sold here are from Myanmar. Riding on some well-maintained roads and passing through 3 security border checkposts, I finally reached Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate. अभी म्यांमार पे कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक एंड मिलिट्री कू के चलते ये गेट बंद कर दिया गया है. अदरवाइज नॉर्मली इस ब्रिज के थ्रू आफ्टर प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड परमिशन आप इंडिया से म्यांमार या फिर म्यांमार से हमारे इंडिया आ जा सकते हो. ये है इंडिया, हमारा भारत, और ये 10 कदम बाद एक दूसरी कंट्री, म्यांमार। आई विश मैं म्यांमार जा पाता, बट ऑल थैंक्स टू कोरोना। पर मैं वापस आऊँगा और इसी रास्ते से एक दिन म्यांमार ज़रूर जाऊँगा। ऑफिशियली द इंडो म्यांमार रूट वॉज ओपनड ऑन 8 of August 2018। ये जो जगह देख रहे हो आप, दैट्स द लास्ट रोड ऑफ इंडिया। Next, I visited Khonjam War Memorial on the way returning from the border town of Moreh. It is a memorial for 3 Manipuri Meitei heroes who sacrificed their life in a battle fought between them and occupying British forces in 1891. It's a historical war memorial site of Anglo-Manipur War at Khonjam. It has the world's tallest sword statue, which symbolizes the valor and the courage of the freedom fighters of Manipur, who fought against the 3 sides of British attack from Kohima, Silchar and Myanmar in the 23rd April 1891. Next up, a quick roadside snack, a popular Manipuri salad known as Sinju. Next, I was on the way to see a very popular place called Singda Dam in Manipur. The ride to the dam is picturesque and found this beautiful master field on the way. Singda Dam is located at a remote place of Manipur Valley at an altitude of 920 meters above sea level. यहाँ ऊपर आपको दिख रहा होगा लिखा हुआ है सिगदा डैम बोल के, और हमें यहाँ ऊपर तक पहुँचना है। हमें थोड़ा सा क्लाइम करना पड़ेगा, एज आई बीन टोल्ड दिस इज़ द ओनली शॉर्टकट वे। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Finally, I have reached the top, and let me show you what is been stored for you guys. That's the Singda Dam, guys, and it is the highest mud dam in the world. The place is lonely and you could enjoy the calmness of the place. Look, the dam is surrounded by all the beautiful mountains and hills. Fresh air breathed and serenity is a guarantee here in Singda. I really enjoyed being there. Well, if there is one thing I love the most, it's traveling. I don't know ऐसी क्या ख़ास बात है, पर जब भी ट्रैवल करता हूँ, I feel more alive. Most people in Manipur rely primarily on agriculture to meet most of their living needs, and that makes them pretty self-sufficient, which is great. Right now I am at a place called Karang Island. This is what you are seeing here are dry fishes being sold near the Karang Island. For the people living in this island, fishing is the common form of trade for their living. They make their living by fishing, earn by fishing, and occupation by fishing. Karang Island is surrounded by Lotak Lake on all sides. It's a beautiful place to see the lake, and you will have a good time to ride on boats. Away from the hustle and bustle of the city life, I was engulfed by the bliss of the nature. The ride to the island was truly serene and pleasing to the eyes. Boat is the only connecting linkage of the people living in this island with the outside world. Next up, जा रहा हूँ अभी मैं छोबकचिंग बोल के एक व्यू पॉइंट तक. The road trek is super bumpy, so you gonna hold on your bike nicely. और वो बोलते हैं ना, bad roads often lead to beautiful destinations. तो चलिए देखते हैं what's been stored for us at the top of the hill. Alright, that patchy road is finally behind me, and I was super excited to explore the place. I'm one of those people who prefer the journey to the destination. You know, experiencing everything that lines the path without thinking too much about the end point. But in this instance, the destination I found was the magical beginning of something even more beautiful. The view from the watchtower was so amazing, as if कोई painting खड़ी हो मेरे सामने. That's the Loktak Lake. It's the largest freshwater lake in the northeast part of India. It lies in the Imphal Valley and is the host of all the rivers flowing in Manipur district. Also in the lake you can see those tiny islands. They are actually made up of biomass, naturally made up of biomass, and here people call it fumris. And today I'm gonna stay on such fumri in a hut. And you see these rings in the lake that is been created by fishermen here to catch fish. They are man-made, not natural. I am waiting at the boarding point now for my canoe. That is the boat. I have to catch my canoe and go to the Fumris. I can't wait to start. I'm super excited. तो गाइस चल पड़ा हूँ मैं अपने बोट पे सवार होके टुवर्ड्स द होम स्टे at Loktak Lake, the only floating lake in the world, and it really feels very good to be here. ये सारे हट्स है लेक के बीच जहाँ पे मैं रहने वाला हूँ, और ये फुमरी है जो एक्चुअली बायोमास के बने आइलैंड्स हैं. That's my homestay and I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. दिस इज़ द बेड, मॉस्किटो नेट से ढका हुआ. यहाँ पे लाइट वगैरह भी है, एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस आर ऑल हैट्स रूफ हट्स, so this is going to be quite an experience. I have never lived like this before, and they have given me this welcome drink. This is called lokle and it tastes so good. शाम को मेरी होस्टेस बना रही थी हमारे लिए गर्मा गर्म खाना. Fish, na?
Fish.
Okay.
Dinner fish.
Okay, fish. Good. Travel is a wonderful tool for self-development and growth, but only if you are open yourself to new experiences and people whose life looks very different than yours. And the dinner that was served was beyond delicious. और अच्छी नींद भी आई मुझे. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, इट्स 5:30 in the morning और मैं उठा हूँ सनराइज देखने के लिए. एंड इट्स लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. यू कैन सी ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ कलर इन द स्काई हियर. ऐसे तो मुझे जल्दी उठने का मन नहीं करता, पर ऐसे लोकटाक लेक पे सनराइज देखने का मौका पता नहीं और मुझे कब मिलेगा. I was literally lost seeing the scenery in front of me. The sunrise was looking absolutely magical and beautiful. It was one of those moments where all I wish for that time to stop for a while, so that I can absorb the beauty and the peaceful vibe of that place. That's the breakfast that I got, bread, omelette and lukle. Now coming to the wobbly part of this island, तो इसका बेस जो है ना वो एक्चुअली बायोमास का बना होता है, तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेबल नहीं है. इवन दो दे हैव गॉट दिस वुडन लॉक्स टू मेक इट अ लिटिल स्टेबल, लेकिन जैसे ही आप चलने की कोशिश करते तो इट स्टार्ट्स मूविंग. अभी लोकटाक लेक आया हूँ तो बोटिंग तो ज़रूर बनता है जी. तो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर द लेक. Loktak Lake, the country's largest freshwater lake and one of the state's most stunning attractions. This lake is at Moirang in Manipur. The etymology of Loktak is Lok means stream and Tak means the end. Loktak is like a miniature island sea with a beautiful stretch of water and is a good place to enjoy boating, canoeing and other water sports. These are those rings जो मछुआरे बनाते हैं to catch fishes. I love being close to nature, observe every tiny detail about it, and capture those moments in my camera. These are the leaf of giant lilies, which are very common near the Loktak Lake in Manipur. I was having time of my life. The lake is also a source of livelihood for the rural fishermen who live in the surrounding areas and on Fumris. Loktak Lake is considered to be the lifeline of the state. Here are a number of aquatic different species of birds and more. The freshness was amazing at Loktak and I had an amazing time too. Then it was time to leave my host family and head to my next destination. I really felt a sense of loss, but thanks to this gentleman who on request sang a song for me to revive my energy and mood. Guys, this place is called Kebul Lamjo National Park, which is near around Loktak Lake, and it's the only national park in the world which is floating. ये पार्क मणिपुर में बिष्णुपुर नाम की एक जगह पे है, पर कोविड की वजह से मैं अंदर जा नहीं पाया, पर ये भी लोकटाक लेक से जुड़ा हुआ है एंड इट इज़ द ओनली प्लेस वेयर आपको लुप्त होती हुई सांघाई डियर देखने को मिलेगी. Next, I was on my way to a hill station in Manipur called Ukrul. थोड़ा रास्ता भटक गया था मैं, पर मुझे ये सुंदर सी वुडन ब्रिज दिखने को मिली. चलिए थोड़ा सामने जाके ब्रिज को देखा जाए. Though it was a rickety bridge and it was not stable at all, but it was a beautiful bridge because there was a river in the background. And you can hear the chirping of birds all around. That's a river, and there was so much of greenery as you can see. It was a spectacular view from there. शायद लोग ठीक ही कहते हैं, some beautiful paths can't be discovered without getting lost. अच्छा हुआ मैं रास्ता भटका और मुझे ऐसी सुंदर जगह दिखने को मिली. Soon I reached the top of the hill and see this amazing view, guys, and look at those houses. It seems like those houses are hanging in the hills. That must be a paddy field जो मॉनसून के टाइम शायद और भी हरा भरा दिखता होगा यहाँ से. See the view, pure nature at its best. Negotiating with the twists and turns of the mountain roads, soon I reached Ukhrul. That's the marketplace in Ukhrul. तो चलिए जाके देखते हैं क्या क्या मिलता है उखरुल के मार्केट में. That's dry chilies, vegetables, fruits, और ये है snails जो काफ़ी पॉपुलर है मणिपुर पे. देख के अच्छा लगा कि बच्चे अभी भी काट के गाड़ियों में खेला करते हैं. Tried a delicious Manipuri thali again at night, and that too homemade. I heard different stories and had a wonderful conversation with the host at night. And that too beside the bonfire was the best part of staying at a hill station like Ukhrul. The weather is so good over here, and you will love riding on the roads of Ukhrul. This is an entry gate in one of the villages in Manipur. और ऐसे अनोखे एंट्री गेट्स तो आम है मणिपुर में. काफ़ी सारे विलेजेस हैं जहाँ पे ऐसे एंट्री गेट दिखने को मिलते हैं. दोस्तों उखरुल पे शिरॉय हिल बोल के एक जगह है, और उसी रास्ते पे मुझे एक स्टैचू दिखने को मिली जिस स्टैचू का नाम है स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ यूनिटी. ये स्टैचू भी कुछ सिंबलाइज करता है कि यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. वेयर देयर इज ए यूनिटी देयर इज ऑलवेज अ विक्ट्री. दोस्तों अभी मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ फांगराई लेक बोल के एक जगह पर. हमें थोड़ा सा हाइकिंग वाइकिंग करनी होगी वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. और मैं आपको बता दूँ कि ये लेक बिल्कुल हिल के ऊपर है. और इंटरेस्टिंग बात तो ये है कि इस लेक का जो सोर्स है पानी आने का इट्स कम्प्लीटली अननोन, क्योंकि हिल के बिल्कुल ऊपर लेक कैसे हो सकता है. तो चलिए हम जाके वही एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। और आई हैव बीन टोल्ड बाय लोकल पीपल ओवर हियर कि इस लेक का जो पानी है वो 12 महीने तक रहता है, तो कभी सूखता भी नहीं। तो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर द प्लेस। लुक, दोस लैंडस्केप्स आर सो सीनिक। सो हमारी हाइकिंग यहाँ से शुरू होती है और हमें कहीं इस पहाड़ के ऊपर तक पहले पहुँचना है। I am going all the way to the top of the hill. I was mesmerized by the breathtaking views of surrounding valley and hills. I did not have any idea how difficult this climb would be. Moreover, I was not wearing any hiking shoes. I had my riding boots on, so थोड़ा सा difficult था ऊपर चढ़ना, पर मुझे जाना तो था ही और धीरे धीरे मैं आगे बढ़ता गया। ये पूरा स्टीप वाला इंक्लाइन है and you gonna gain lot of altitude whenever you come here for hike. Not many people have actually covered this part of Manipur, but I was quite motivated in a way to show this place to you all. This is the spot where you will get to see the lake for the first time. There it was, the mysterious Phangrai Lake. What a beautiful place to be. See the clear weather, the blue sky. Everything here is natural. If you come here, you will just love this place. It's just beautiful, and I am the only visitor here. There is nobody else. यहाँ ऊपर लेक के सामने कुछ प्लास्टिक के पैकेट्स देखे मैंने, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा सबसे, कोई भी जगह का माहौल को प्लीज़ गंदा मत करना। आइए, पर आपका फुटप्रिंट्स छोड़ के मत जाइएगा। So the hike to Phangrai Lake is a check. That called the end of climbing, and while going downhill, I captured this beautiful sunset for you guys. I'm sure you will like it. Guys, I have come to the saddest part of this journey. Yes, I have to leave Manipur now and go back, because the road doesn't wait for anybody. But I must tell you, Manipur is beautiful, and the locals here are very kind. The food they serve is also very good, and even the hospitality is great. I would highly recommend everyone to visit Manipur, and yes, you won't regret visiting this place. Thank you for joining in. I hope you will like this video. If you do, it would mean the world to me. Until we meet again, be blessed and happy. See you.